Okay, there's two kinds of people: ordinary people and extraordinary people. So the difference between these two is that one reinforces the world as it is by basically following. That's the ordinary person. And then two, there are the extraordinary people who, change the world through their actions. And usually it's the case that these are the people who get shined into the spotlight because of their great actions. And Natalie Warner in her TED Talk talks about how there's this other kind of extraordinary person who, when you turn off the spotlight, they nonetheless have made a difference in the world. And these people are the anonymous, extraordinary people. So Natalie is an example of herself. So even though she briefly was in the spotlight because she was able to attract Oprah Winfrey's attention for her cause, which was to stop a war in Africa, the thing is, it was actually the other things that took place outside of the spotlight. And those things were working 1,000 plus hours over 3 months to throw these events that led to this recognition by Oprah, as well as drinking lots of caffeine and working with lots of people in order to create this excitement. And so this, try and distinguish this from what was extraordinary. Partly was, these 1,000 plus hours of really tedious work calling people in order to eventually get this bill passed in the United States, just to help stop the war in Africa. But, is it just the work that made it extraordinary? Because if it was the case, then factory workers who work, 16 hours a day might be called extraordinary because they spend lots of time and effort supporting some cause. But rather, I would say that what was the thing that made it truly extraordinary was the fact that it was fueled by some sort of a belief or an ideal that was really designed to change the world, to make it a better place rather than to keep it the same, which unfortunately is what a factory worker does. They are part of the status quo. So that's all I have to say.